It's nice and white. Again, it was not white before. It was full of mold. We got underneath all of the fixtures. Lots of mold growing underneath the fixtures. Washed it really well. Waxed it. You see the owner's putting it back where he got it from. This is about 33 feet long. Turned out really good. We do motorhomes right where they sit. If you want an estimate, I come out and personally look at it and estimate it. All my estimates are well under what it would charge you to actually take it to like Silverdale or another professional. They're usually $400, $500, or $600, sometimes $700 or $800 less. And I come out and do it. You don't have to take it there and leave it or sit around for 10 hours. You can sit in the comfort of your own home. Like this owner, he went home, which is 10 minutes away. And I called him when it was finished. And now he's coming to pick it up. Motorhome washes are very reasonable. We treat the roof and all the plastics and the fixtures that you see on the roof. They need to be waxed also too. A lot of people don't know that. Because if you don't wax it, you're going to get holes in your roof. Your roof starts to deteriorate. You know, all those fixtures you can see has like 5 or 6 up there. They'll crack and break. So we definitely get those treated. You know, once every year and a half, 2 years. You won't have to ever replace them. You won't get water leaks in your roof. And you won't. Great. This is the Elks Lodge in Sequim. As you can see, they have a whole lot of motorhomes here. Probably be doing some of those soon.
Okay, I'll be right back.
Okay. See you in a minute, Dean.